No. Sophia, please. I don't know.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are making
canjeero
and first we have
flour
self-raising flour.
shan waxyaabood oo isku jira
And this is a mixture of
oo
flour,
bur ah
yeast, and then we have 2 eggs,
2 eggs, little bit sugar, salt, milk.
Hooyo's going to be teaching me how to make canjeero today.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Step 1, Hooyo.
hal qaado ku shub 1 spoon
1 spoon.
oo hal qaado
You guys can learn with me. So that's 1
yeah
spoon of yeast.
biyo ku daraysa hoo biyo kulul baad ku shubaysaa in yar ku xir that's it
And then you mix it.
yeah mix burka ku shubo ku shub waxba qiyaas
Wax badan ah?
ku shubo horta haddana
No measuring it apparently.
waa ku quraacanaynaa ku shub haddana ku shub
Measure مسميتن؟
ku shub haddana waa afar anaa aqaan qiyaasta ilaa maalinkaan dhashaan dubahay anugu
Raw.
haye weli hoy ilaahay israaqadan waasaca nooga dhigay dhaqsaha
Wait, I'm scared enough of that answer. That's it?
Yeah.
Then that much apparently.
That's it.
That's what it's looking like. We're adding yeast.
Yeah, yeast ku dar. Haweenka ku kuban ka baqay ho.
Okay.
Ha ku kooxay.
Okay.
So ka tago wax yar.
Maybe not getting some kind of This is and sugar.
Because birtaan baray wax yar ku dar. Anaa jooji ku dhahayo.
Alright.
Hadda maxaad u baqanaysaa hooyo?
Just because I don't have too much of them, like milk.
That's it marka.
So we have flour, yeast, and sugar,
Cusbana waxaa ku dar.
and some salt.
Yeah. Ku dar hooyo.
Oh, yeah.
Milka fiican ku dar.
Okay.
Hooyo ha baqin bismillaahi. Ha baqin.
Once it got on milk, I'm thinking.
Ku shub. More. Ku shub. That's it.
Oh, let the hair out comes there. There you go. And then add some water.
Okay, walaaq marka.
I think it's a smooth كده كتير.
Sunday. Love سمايس والله.
Thank you.
حوغان
Again, for exercise.
كان سيها. أحسن مرقها كويا. أو كوارا رجع هذا هويو أحسن واحد.
So now that we finished the mixture, we're gonna leave it to rise. In here is self-raising flour, a mixture of flours, and then yeast agline, sugar, salt, 2 eggs, milk, hot water.
Yeah.
And then that's it. Bye, we'll be back when this has risen. We're back now and we're cooking. We're back now and we're cooking. We're back now and we're cooking
canjeero.
beans.
كشو. أنا جوجو كده هي كشو. What?
Where is it?
What? That's it.
No judging.
Yeah, do not judge. Please chop onions and garlic.
لكن بصشة كشو.
Only the onions.
Yeah.
Yay, it's sizzling. Now this is garlic. Can I talk to you?
waxaa la karinayaa special beans geedgeeda canjeeradiina way noo kacda markaasa way noo kacda hadda
And now this is
beans sida wax kasta kuugu dhaca
Oh, I have to show who is doing that part.
Oh, I will do that.
walaaska kale ku shub adiga
I need you to go close up for this one, dear.
adaa waxa karinaya maanaa karinaya ku shub
Can you move the
xoog safiyo Ken.
Oh my god, you covered the oil, it's not going to splash you anymore.
No, I don't want the tomato juice on me.
So this is the part of cooking, you're going to get
Should you give
dirty.
me an apron?
Anaa kibirti
Isn't it?
This one?
may ka weyn
Very nervous in the cooking, that's why.
Human.
This is my first time and you're making me This is from Somali.
That's a shame at your age that this is your first time. It's not my fault. I forget.
dabada u saaraysaa ka bacdan ku shubaysaa waad marinaysaa
That was sorry, like, what?
Oh.
Didn't he?
واو ما يسوي زي مي انت
Oh my god.
Sophie, clean
You're
up the
lying.
edge. Clean up the edge.
Edgar.
The disappointment is so loud.
Maybe on the edge.
Yeah. Of course, because I think I could have said. That edge.
Yeah.
See that? Wow, ما شاء الله.
بعيدة ما شاء الله.
والله في عنتها لكن وإنا كلام بحسب بس فيري صفية فيري مو كذا فيري هاي
I couldn't even do that, mate.
Okay, more calm in it هذا وايد. I think nervous at هذا. I was nervous.
اوكي مو كذا
Okay.
صار لا لا هاي بسم الله
Okay, بسم الله.
كتابة
كتابة.
هاي كشو
كشو.
وريتش مركز سيدا وريتش لحظة قبل لو لحظة
Okay.
ها صح معلن done
What are you gonna say now?
We all saw the first one, so.
بس خلاص
You paid for the
So-
interactive stuff.
فرها.
ها لكن هذه
Oh yeah, I can't.
أنت رفع عمي جبت ذي
والله ترى
ها تن والله
Miss Gala Smith.
متكلم سمين
والله even in here حلونا سمعنا وات.
No, 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 no.
هيا
Sophie, please. So, I don't know.
Whoa! You didn't even get it. My eyes are closed. That's baby. Are you sure?
والله بالله
And then get someone who supports you like your
هذا
mother.
مركب
Time to play up.
هيا كل حاجة ما شاء الله وحيد
Are you sure?
أنا سبق بكون يا شاح كل دول مركب
1, 2. And now it's taste test time.
بسم الله
Go first.
بسم الله
I'm sorry.
والله
Bismillah. 2.
فرحة كان جوجل
My.
And that's the end to our YouTube video. That's how you cook and share it and
بينس
bye.
باي
Make sure to like, share and subscribe.
Yes.